Hi there, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to look at the basic accordion card blanks. I created these blanks to save you time and frustration, and I've measured everything and made sure everything lines up, and all you have to do is choose the paper and cut. You can stamp on them, draw on them, add photographs to them, do whatever your creative heart desires. Let's look at the basic square accordion card first. Now it comes as 2 strips, which allows you to use just one strip if you want a shorter accordion, or you can attach the other strip, and you can attach even another strip to make a longer and longer accordion. The basic supplies you need for these projects are really simple: adhesive and a bone folder, and of course the paper. You can use whatever adhesive you're comfortable with. I've just put these out as some of my favorites. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set aside the decorative panels and fold your accordion. And let's start with the one that doesn't have the tab. And I think you can see the score lines on there. And you're just going to fold along those score lines. Use a bone folder to burnish down the folds, and that really helps your accordion stay closed rather than popping open all the time. And on the other piece, don't forget to do the tab. That's how you're going to attach it to the other piece. The bottom of the tab is flat and will align perfectly with the accordion panels. Also make sure that the fold on the tab aligns perfectly with the end cut of the previous accordion. Burnish it down and you're good to go. Perfect. Now you can just add the decorative panels. Now you can stamp on those. You can do it out of plain paper and decorate to your heart's content, however you like doing your art, or message if it's a birthday card. I've given you enough panels for one side of your accordion, but if you'd like to decorate the other side with decorative panels, then just cut twice as many of those little squares. There you go. Beautiful and so easy. So our next accordion is the basic rectangle accordion card, blank. And it's blank so that you can decorate it. And it is made virtually the same as the accordion square. Now you could make this card just with the first panel, the one without the tab, and you would have a really nice little card. Or you can make it even longer by adding the extension. And don't forget that if you fold an accordion the wrong way, you can always just reverse the fold. Don't forget to burnish down those folds. Add your adhesive and attach your extension. And there you go. Beautiful. Perfectly measured out. No weird things happening like you sometimes get on accordions. Yay! So I've given you some nice rectangular panels, just slightly smaller than the accordion card, and some ovals. So you can use all rectangles, or you can use all ovals, or you can alternate them like I have, or you can not use them at all. Now, if you want to decorate the other side of your accordion, simply cut twice as many decorative panels. Wow, how cool is that? Beautiful. Now, the other thing I've given you with this design is a strip to use as a belly band. So all you're going to do is wrap that around your accordion, your finished accordion, because you don't want to make it too tight. Mark it with a pencil, add some adhesive, and there you go. Now we're going to move on to the stepped accordion card blanks. This one is the basic stepped. It goes from one level to the next level to the top level. And I've actually given you all the decorative panels you'll need if you want to do both sides. So it's just a matter of folding along those perforated score lines in a zigzag, just like you've been doing. And make sure you burnish down those score lines because that'll make your card stay folded flat. Mind you, if it's going to sit up on a shelf or something, you want it open. Add those decorative panels if you want them. And there you go. So easy. Now let's move on to the stepped angled accordion card blank. It's a little bit different. I've given you the decorative panels for both sides of the accordion. You just need to fold it up, just like you have the other accordion cards we've been doing. Burnishing down the perforated score lines. And then you can add the decorative panels if you wish. Now here's a little heads up. When you close this accordion up, you'll see there's that blank area there. Now I think it looks just fine blank, but if you want to use the decorative panels on the other side, you might want to think about which one you're going to put on that middle panel. This is actually a teachable moment because I didn't think carefully enough, and you'll see why in a second. I wish I'd used a different decorative paper for that middle panel, and then I'd have 3 different decorative papers when the card is closed to make it more interesting. Now we're going to move on to the last card, and it's the tag accordion card blank. Pretty, huh? And as always, I lay out all the pieces to make sure everything's there and fits where it should. And then we're going to accordion fold all those perforated score lines. This is a beautiful paper. It's double-sided, which is really nice and means you don't actually have to add the decorative panels to the back side. Now that's gorgeous just like it is, and it has 4 panels, which might be enough for you. And you can fold it either way depending on which side of the paper you like best. Now you can add the extension and that will make it a whopping 8 panels. So go ahead and fold that up. Apply the adhesive and attach the extension to the original accordion. And wow, look at that! Now this paper is so busy, I think you're going to want to add the decorative panels, which are actually pretty plain in this case. Now I've given you rectangular panels with rounded edges on the rectangles and ovals, and you can vary those or you can use all ovals or all rectangles, whichever you want. Wow, beautiful and so easy. Oh yes, and I've given you a whole bunch of reinforcements so you can put those over the holes in the top of the tag, in the top of each tag. I've given you enough reinforcements to do both sides of the accordion, but you'll need to cut double the panels if you want them on the back side. There's lots of room for decoration in this little accordion book. And it would be fun if you added ribbon to the holes at the top. Oh, so cool. And it's so easy. I hope you love these little accordion cards and their convenience. And I'll be doing some more advanced accordion cards in the near future. But snap these up while you can. I hope you enjoy them and share them on your social media. I'd love to see them. Tag me, Quiet Fire Design. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.